Binigyang diin ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacierda na malaking hamon ang dinanas ng bansa sa Zamboanga Siege, lindol sa Bohol at Bagyong Yolanda. Nagpaabot na rin ng pagkilala ang United Nations sa malakas na pananampalataya ng mga Pilipino upang ganap na makabangon mula sa trahedya. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Itinuring na mahalagang okasyon upang bigyan ng taimtim na panalangin ang mga naging biktima ng tatlong trahedya na naranasan ng bansa nitong 2013. Sinabi ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda, malaking hamon ang dinanas ng bansa, ang Zamboanga Siege, Bohol Killer Quake at ang Super Typhoon Yolanda. Nakapaloob pa rin sa panalangin ng pasasalamat at kahilingan na gawing ligtas ang Pilipinas sa iba pang banta o panganib.
This is a time where the President would like the nation to remember the fallen, to bring solidarity and to unify the nation as we continue to do the rebuilding of all the affected areas.
Nagpaabot na rin ang pagkilala ng United Nations sa malakas sa pananampalataya ng mga Pilipino upang ganap na makabangon sa mga sinapit na trahedya.
The United Nations stands with the people of the Philippines in honoring the resources of faith that sustain so many in difficult times. As UN staff in the Philippines, we observe and are often moved by gestures of faith by those in various traditions in situations that are overwhelming. We are inspired by the examples, of which there were many in 2013, when people of the Philippines have reached out beyond their own communities to build peace and restoration in challenging circumstances.
Idinaos ang National Day of Prayer and Solidarity sa harap na rin ng pananalasa ng low pressure area at bagyong Agaton sa bahagi ng Mindanao. Ayon kay Lacierda, dapat suriin ang umano'y iligal na pagmimina sa lugar na sanhi ng pagguho ng lupa.
I'll just confirm lang, but I think some of the deaths were caused by landslides, yung mga small scale mining. Again, this is the issue with small scale mining na we're trying to fix that situation. It's very frustrating that deaths are continuously caused by these small scale miners, yung landslide na ginagawa. So that's one thing we'd like to make sure, kasi ang problema lang talaga small scale mining, para silang yung biglang sumisipot, biglang ang hirap at saka yung bundok na pinupuntahan nila. In fact, the last one na naalala ko, mahirap abutin. Hindi sila maabot kasi ang very inaccessible
Samantala, wala na maanyang kinalaman ng pagtapat ng National Day of Prayer and Solidarity sa naganap na EDSA 2 kung saan napatalsik sa pwesto si dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada.
There was no reference to EDSA 2.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.